Hey friends, this is the KBD67 Lite R2, currently my most recommended and personal favorite entry-level custom mechanical keyboard. Now, I'm going to keep the talking to a minimum since my goal with this video is to showcase the sound test with various switches. So if that's all you want to hear because you're on the fence about getting one, or already set on getting one but don't know what switches to build with, then I hope this video can be somewhat insightful for at least how it sounds with certain types of switches. But if you want more information about this keyboard, please read the description down below as I do write out my full thoughts and comments as to why I like this board. This is the R2. I never got around picking up the R1, so it wouldn't be fair for me to make that comparison. However, you can find the comparisons between the two and full specs on KBD Fans website linked down below as well. There's also a bunch of reviews out already for it. As for my personal comparison, I will describe my experience up against the NK65 Entry Edition by Novel Keys, which I personally own, and a Tofu 65 that I have tried using from a friend. The KBD67 Lite, NK65EE, and Tofu boards are currently the most well-known and popular entry-level boards for beginners. As for the sound test, I started with Gateron Yellows, the ones with the milky top and black bottoms, because they are very budget friendly, coming in at about 25 cents per switch, good price to performance and smooth, very much available almost anywhere as they are also very popular. As a side note, the KBD67 Lite R2 comes with their polycarbonate screw-in stabilizers, which I tested here, as well as the better C3 stabilizers, which I would recommend getting instead, or Duroc V2s. Additional switches I tested are the NK Creams, Gateron Black Ink V2s, and C3 Tangerines, since those are all different price ranges for variety, since I think it's good to have some comparisons with a couple popular Gateron and JWK switches. Now, just for fun, I also did it with Cherry Profile and MT3 keycaps on a couple of these tests. So let's get started.